So today I will be showing you how to preserve kumquat. This is what a kumquat look like. It's very small, and when you cut it open, you cut it in half. What you will need to do is you need to keep the peels. You can cut it up in half like so. Don't squeeze any juice or anything out. You have to try to de-seed them as much as possible. Cut the edges and de-seed them, and then put it into honey. This you can drink it with warm water, make it into tea. So put some lemon and ginger in with the warm water and take a scoop of this, half a teaspoon or whatnot. So tomorrow I can drink this in a tea, and it's really good for your health. So basically this is about 2 teaspoons of melted honey, which I am using my local Bay Area bee company local raw honey. And what you need to do is you just need to put it into the container and cover it up. So I am going to have to squeeze it all. So it's like putting them into the jar and squeeze them all the way down. And you're actually preserving the kumquat, and you're turning it to kumquat tea, essentially. So to show you the difference here, this is the jar that I just preserved like an hour ago, and you can see that the colors of the honey got into the kumquat, and it's actually turning it a little bit less orangey color. So when you have them all into the container, you want to make sure to smash them and make sure that the honey covers the kumquat. And if there is not enough honey, then you need to add more honey in. So that meant that I need to take some honey from the other jar to put in here. Or I can always melt more honey and put it into the second jar. The funny thing is though, whenever you first preserving it, the kumquat, you're like, oh, that's not very much kumquat. But believe it or not, there's a lot of kumquat in these 2 jars. So I am going to need to add more honey into this jar because it's not covered. You want it somehow to cover, to cover the kumquat as you squeeze it down as such. And you want to make sure that it covers, that all of your kumquat are covered by honey, because the honey actually preserve the kumquat. And what you can do is when you have a cold or when you're not feeling well, this actually helps boost your immune system. So if you're not feeling well, what you need to do is take a spoonful of the honey along with the kumquat peelings and stuff like that. You can actually eat the kumquat, the peelings and everything. It's really good for you. It is one of the Chinese medication that they actually use for cold. So you add ginger, like fresh cut ginger, and a half a lemon along with like this much, a teaspoon or half a teaspoon, depending on how sweet you like your drink, and just drink it like a tea. So I'm trying to get all the honey out, but that's how you preserve kumquat. It's just a simple recipe. Honey and kumquat. Put this in the refrigerator for a day or 2, and then you can start making tea out of them. Good luck. Bye.